Now question number 13. You can see a right angled triangle ABC. In your question it is given that angle C is 90 degree. You have to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Now the lines which I have drawn in red color is the lines which I constructed in the figure. You don't have these lines in your figure, given figure. Now construction is join AE, BD and DE. You are constructing it because you have it in your proof. Now in your question it is given that angle C is 90 degree. So you are concentrating only on that and applying Pythagoras theorem in the different triangles given here. You have 4 different right angle triangles. Triangle ACE, then BDC, then the whole triangle ABC and DCE. In all the 4 triangles you can see your angle C is the right angled one. So applying this Pythagoras theorem in all the 4, we have all the 4 equations written here. That is, hypotenuse square is the sum of the square of its legs. Now we got 4 different equations. Now just see what you have to prove. You have to prove AE square plus BD square. Just see in which equation that is coming. You can see in 1 and 2 you have AE square and BD square. So you are going to add first equation and the second equation. Rearranging, you will get AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus CE square plus DC square. Why did you rearrange? You rearranged so that you can substitute equation 3 and equation 4 here. The first 2 terms are coming in equation 3 and third and fourth terms are coming in equation 4. So you can substitute AB square and DE square in this rearranged equation. So you will get what you have to prove here, that is AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Just go through this question once again, you will understand what you have done in this answer. Students, question 14, 15 and 16 are very important because it has come multiple times in your board exams. So please go through it very carefully. Now let's see what is 14. In 14 you have given that ABC is a triangle, simply a triangle, and AD perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now consider triangle ABC and ADC. You will have AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay. Then if you are considering ADB, you have AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay. You have a given condition here. DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. I'll show you in another figure. The same figure I have drawn here, that is ADC and ADB. In the figure you have given that DC is equal DB is equal to 3CD. Okay. Now if I ask you what is the length of BC, that is the total length of this line, you will say that it is CD plus DB, isn't it? Now you have the given condition that DB is equal to 3CD. So this is CD and this length is 3CD. So this is CD, this is 3CD. So I will write it as 4CD. So BC is equal to 4 CD. So I can write CD is equal to BC by 4. This statement is used in your question. Now we'll see what you have to prove is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay. Now we are going to subtract 1 from 2. AB square minus AC square. You will get AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus DC square. AD and AD get cancelled. So AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus DC square. Okay. Now I am substituting DB as 3CD, that is given in your question. BD as 3CD. 3CD square. 3 square is 9. 9CD square minus CD square is 8CD square. In the previous figure, I showed you how you proved CD is equal to BC by 4. We are using the same here. Instead of CD, we are writing BC by 4. 8 into BC by 4, the whole square. So 4 is also having this square. So 4 square is 16. 8 into BC square by 16. That is BC square by 2. This 2 is going to the left hand side. You have the statement that to be proved here.